Hello YouTubers. Today I'm preparing for you balsamic green bean side dish. I went to Fresh Market today, which is a market sort of like a Trader Joe's, Whole Foods, Wegmans kind of place, but it's an old world market. And I saw some wonderful things there, and I just wanted to try some of their prepared dishes. And they had a Chilean sea bass en croûte, and also some shrimp cocktail that I bought from there. And an en croûte just means in crust, like as in pastry. So it's a Chilean sea bass that's actually encrusted in a puff pastry, and it was delicious actually. So what I'm doing right here is just chopping up some shallots, tomatoes, and I'm putting in some balsamic glaze, salt and pepper, and olive oil into a saucepan, and I'm going to saute that until it's really, until the water is removed and it's been reduced and it's thick. I have some green beans here, and I've cut off the ends of these, and I'm going to cook these in some salt water just until they're tender but not mushy. I have some garlic, and I'm smashing it with my garlic smasher, and I'm going to cut off just the very ends of the garlic because the end where the root actually is kind of bitter, so I usually cut that off. And I'm mincing my garlic pretty fine. I've added that to my balsamic tomato glaze. My green beans are ready. I'm draining the water, and I'm going to add some ice to it to stop the cooking process. I want to halt that cooking so the green beans can stay really bright green and crispy. If you have a Fresh Market in your area, give it a try. It's a beautiful market. It's smaller than Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, and Wegmans. It has an old world feel. They have a lot of pre-made gourmet dishes there, as well as fresh produce, seafood, meats. Fresh Market, if you're hearing this, please sponsor me. I'll cook in your store for free. I have no shame. I'm putting my balsamic glaze on top of the green beans. And there you have it. This is the Chilean sea bass en croûte that I bought from Fresh Market. And I baked that in the oven on 400 for about 40 minutes. This is the shrimp cocktail that I also purchased from Fresh Market. And what I've done is just put a small ramekin into a larger ramekin, and I'm arranging the shrimp around the ramekin, and I put the shrimp cocktail inside of the small ramekin. I've added the lemon wedges, and now I'm just cutting up the lettuce and adding that as well, and arranging that just to look nice like I made it, which I didn't. We all know Fresh Market made it. Just with a few ingredients, you can look like you made a gourmet meal. Purchase part of it, make a side dish, and there you have it, a nice healthy meal that makes you look like a superstar. Thank you guys for watching. Please give me a like. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you taking time out of your day to watch my videos.